Hey everyone, it's Amy from Yosoboho. It is Friday morning. I am getting ready to go get my hair done. That's why it's so, yeah, we won't even talk about it. Well, you know when you go get your hair dyed, you have to go with dirty hair, so you understand me. If I don't get these grays covered though, I'll be buying that root spray by the gallon soon. So I want to just take a minute to unbox my mystery Fatbird Finds box. See right there? I was lucky enough to be drawn when I tried to get this box. So this was the $60 box from last week's mystery, big mystery box sale. So I think there were 10 boxes and this may have been like number 8 or 9 or something. So I was really super lucky to get it, and I thought I would go ahead and unbox it here on camera and share it with everybody. So here goes nothing. I got it yesterday, by the way, so it's been killing me. It's been sitting on the kitchen counter and I was like, oh, I could just peek in it. No, I shouldn't peek because then it won't be, you know, me actually opening it. You know, you want to see my reaction, right? I'm not a very good actress is what I'm saying. Ooh, I see orange. Look at, here's the box. I see a recipe card, topper, broccoli with tarragon, vegetables and legumes, card 87, very nice. And then I see this other little packet of cards. Aw, look how cute. Fatbird Finds card, cute. A playing card with butterflies, looks very 70s, cute. Some trivia cards and a trivia card for friends. That's cute. They autographed the back of it. And a little zebra. So cute. Cute toppers and some really great orange paper that matches their orange. They're so matchy. I'm gonna try and hold this up so we're all seeing it at the same time. That's why I got the camera so high. See bubble wrap. That's a mystery box. Now, if you were on the sale, you saw that we got to see what the mystery boxes were. We didn't get to see what was going in them, but we got to see what the actual boxes were gonna be. So I kind of know what the box is going to be. Let me make sure I have it upright. Oh, it's so cool. It's even better in person. So here's the actual box. It is a cigar box. Look at how cool and old it is. Look at that little dovetail. Look at that little dovetail. Howard Johnson's #1. I had to try and get this box because this is my color right here. This is like what I call 1928 blue. My house was built in 1928, so anytime I see this, it's like good stuff. So here's the box itself. What's going to be in there? More paper! Fatbird Finds orange and blue. Oh, I see goodies. Oh, I see lots of goodies. What's in there? A bottle opener. I feel like maybe these ladies know me a little bit. Oh, what is this? It's a razor blade. Perma blade? No. Permedge. Razor blade. Single edge. Look at that. How cute. Look at the card it came with. Nice old font. Satisfaction guaranteed. Alright, what else is in here? That looks like a Wade Whimsy. Is that a dog? It's a cat. It's a big cat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Laura and MB, okay, my hair is killing me here. I have a collection of miniatures. I have like a miniature shelf and I love Wade Whimsies. So this is like perfect. It's like you may have known this or something. It's a tiger. Look at how cute. He's got really cute stripes. Oh, I mean, you can't tell I like cats too, right? Oh, I'm so happy. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, we're just getting there. We're just getting into this. What is this? This almost looks like restaurant wear or something. Let's see. Oh, it's super old. It is. It's a Shenango. Look at that. I love the age on that. I don't know if you can see because of my light there. Here. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. That would be really cute next to my sink with my rings in it. Oh, I love that. Okay, I know. This is probably making everybody jealous, but at least I'm sharing with you, right? This looks like another little miniature thing. I see blue. It's glass. Oh, I think they warned us this might be in here. It's a little tiny, teeny, tiny bluebird of happiness. Oh, how cute. I love that. It's so small it'll fit on my miniature shelf. Sorry, best mystery box ever. Even though it's my first, I think it's best ever. And then there's this really cute little doily dresser scarf. Nice little embroidered white on white. Love it. And there's something in the bottom of here. Looks like a coaster maybe? Oh no, it's a tin. La Corona whiffs. 10 cigars. 10 cigars in there. They must have been really skinny cigars. That is adorable. Look at that. How fun. Says Consolidated Cigar Corporation, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I know somebody in Fort Lauderdale. Warning, this product produces chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects. Very cool. All right, so that was the orange side. Let's see what was in the blue side. Blue side. Stuff. Cute. What are these little guys? Oh my gosh, these might fit on my miniature shelf too. Oh my gosh, I totally remember these. This is insane. I totally remember these. These were like for play. Fine Fresh Dutch Cleanser. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. And this says, Sweetheart Sugar Cones. The cones are in there. I swear the cones are in there. Oh my gosh. This is like a little, oh my gosh. Look at that. The cones are in there. How fun. There's 2 little cones in there. I'll show you the box. Super cute. Look at this. My gosh. How fun. What else we got? We have some, I see some fabric here. What is this? Oh, it's just a cute piece of, this is so boho. How cute. Ooh, I have to figure out something to do with that. You can wear it as a choker. I also see some ribbon in here. Oh, how cute. Oh, I'm gonna have to figure out, maybe my Aunt Beth will help me figure out what to do with these little remnants. She's the one with the sewing machine. I think I saw this one too. I think we were hinted about this as well. I think this is a little orange Ellie Smith. Look at that. I love that. That's just gonna take a little votive, probably a little tea light, one of those little tea lights. Super cute. And then looks like there's one more thing in the bottom. I can already tell I love it. Oh, that is so sweet. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, ladies, you did good. You did really good. I mean, I was excited about the box. And then, yeah, you did really, really, really good. Look at all this amazingness. I will turn the camera around and show you everything that was in that right here on the table so you can take a look at all of it together. But before I do that, thank you so much, Fatbird Finds. This was amazing. Anyone who watches my channel who doesn't know about but doesn't know about Fatbird Finds, Mary Beth and Laura at Fatbird Finds, they have a live every Friday night. Super fun. Friday is my workhorse day usually, meaning I list like crazy, and that's kind of my reward. If I get everything done, I jump on and interact in their live. And this past Friday, I was super lucky when I jumped on because I got this box. I'm super happy, girls. Thank you so much. I will end this with an above shot so you can see everything that was in the box. I appreciate you watching, and take care. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and all that stuff. Tell me what your favorite thing was in the box. All right? Thanks.